afternoon, and whatever time you have there to another video. And I'm going to play level 40 for this Crazy Cooking Chef mobile game. So currently, yeah, we have French fries and we have fried chicken over there, and we have ketchup, we have tomatoes, lettuce, and cheese, and burger patty and chicken patty, and the cola to serve. I played this level 40 for like 3 or 4 times for me to be able to achieve that 3 stars, because yeah, they're really kind of like impatient, and sometimes I forgot to like cook some fries and some fried chicken, and sometimes I get confused on the orders, like the burgers, because sometimes it's really hard to like identify if they wanted cheese, if they wanted something like with lettuce or with tomatoes, and yeah. But now I'm showing you guys how I beat and achieved this 3 stars for this level 40 Crazy Cooking Chef. And I just noticed that every time that I serve the second customer first, because I have, for example, I have like French fries and I have like chicken already cooked and the burger is not yet cooked, the timer on the first customer moves like much more faster, so they really get angry, like, you know, like the normal customer. And yeah, but I able to beat and achieve the 3 stars, because what I do is like every time that they ordered like fries or the chicken, I automatically or immediately cooked it after I gave the ingredients or the fries or the chicken to the customer. So yeah, basically, and that was what I did to achieve the 3 stars. And as you can see, most of the orders here on this level is mostly fries and chicken, and a little burgers and chicken burgers. Yeah, but I'm really excited for the second restaurant. But yay, at least I finished this one. And thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video for this Crazy Cooking Chef. Peace. Bye.